Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z-Face and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a dark green smoky eye tutorial. So I'm just going ahead to do my brows real quickly, and I'm using my MAC pencil in the shade number 2002. I just did this so fast because I have so many brow tutorials on my channel. I'm going to link them down in the description box below. So I'm going ahead to conceal my eyes with my NYS concealer in the shade 0.67. You guys already know the drill. Then after that, I'm just going to blend out the concealer that I have on my eyes. So I'm going ahead with my concealer again to just prime my eyelids. You guys know the drill. You need to prime your eyelids so that your eyeshadow stays in properly well. I'm going into my Zoria brush and I'm just going to blend that in, and then next I'm going into my setting powder to just set everything that I have on my eyes. Then we'll go right ahead to do the eyeshadow.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? No drama.
So I'm just going to go right ahead into my Million Pauline gel liner. I know I've mentioned this gel liner so much, but guys, it's my favorite. So I'm just trying to create a base for my smoky eye. So I'm just doing some sort of like a full cut crease, not really a full cut crease, but just a normal cut crease with the black gel liner to just create a base. Then I'm going into my blending brush and just try to blend out that a little bit. Then I'll go into this green color from the Rude Girl Badass palette, and I'm just going to pat that onto the gel liner. Guys, when working with your liquid gel liner, you want to be very careful and you need to blend perfectly well. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend. Then I'll go into the Moongate palette and I'm going to use the yellow shade to just blend out the transition part, to just blend out my crease properly well. And that's it, guys. So I'm going right back into the eyeshadow brush that had the green to just blend those two colors together. I don't want any harsh lines on my eyes. Then I'll go into the orange color from this very Rude Girl Badass palette to just create, you know, that transitioning, if that makes sense. I'm just mixing all those two colors together and just blending everything to look very smooth and nice. Alright, so that's basically it for this eyeshadow, for this dark green smoky eyeshadow, guys. So moving on to my next eye, I'm just going to do everything real quickly, and I'm just doing the very steps that I carried out on the other eye. So for my under eye, for my waterline, I just went ahead to use this random green pencil to just line my waterline. I didn't use my normal black gel liner to do that, just to give me that green effect. Then for my primer, I'm using my Blossom Pro primer, and I'm just going to massage that onto my face. Then for foundation, I'll be using my Superstay Maybelline foundation in 355. You guys already know the drill. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. So I started off my beauty blender, guys, and it was so difficult blending, so I went back into my brush before using my beauty blender again. Like, it's so easy when you blend your foundation with your brush before using your beauty blender for me.
He knows how to turn things up, and he knows what gets me going.
So I'm going ahead into my NYX in 0.67 again, and I'm just going to highlight my under eye, my cupid bow, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. You guys know the drill. Then I'm just going to go ahead into my beauty blender and blend that all out.
Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
So I went ahead to use my setting powder, my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, to just set the areas that I highlighted. And you guys know the drill, right? For contour, I'm using this very dark brown contour from the Moon Gay palette to just contour my face. I didn't bother using a liquid contour today. I wasn't really feeling like it. Then I'm just going to go ahead with this brush and just blend, and just dust off the excess powder that I have on my face. God, what's wrong with this evening? Oh.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad.
Then to smudge my eyes, I'm going into the very green color that I use on top of my eyes, yes, from the Root Girl palette, to just smudge my under eyes. For lashes, I'm using these 3D mink lashes. They are so dramatic, and I just wanted this look to look like, you know. And I'm just going to pop that onto my eyes. I have a detailed lash tutorial. I'm going to link it down below. Then I'm going into my MAC pencil in the shade 002, and I'm just going to line my lips. Then I'll go into the same concealer that I used to highlight, the NYX in the shade 0.67, to just place that onto my lips. And then I'll go into my Zickel Cosmetics HD concealer in neutral and just put that onto the middle part of my lips, just to give that some radiance and then give you guys some sugar. And then after that, I'm going to go into my Iman gloss. I'm going to go into my Karité spray my face real quickly, then go right ahead to smudge my bottom lashes with my mascara. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some gloss. Like, I really wasn't feeling the look matte, so I went into my Iman gloss and I just put that onto my lips. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. Love you guys. Subscribe. Bye.